Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. Today, I'm going to do something really cool, something I've really wanted to do for a long time. This can be considered either a brunch or even a breakfast sandwich. Let's get started on what this is going to be, what the bun's going to be. The bun's gonna be a glazed donut. However, I don't like these. I hate glazed donuts. I've actually referred to these and I've actually coined the phrase happy donuts. Why are they happy donuts? Well, they're airy, they're fluffy, they're so full of life, and they don't really want to be eaten, but but they kind of have to be. And they all have this sugary glaze all over them. It just makes them really happy, and I hate these things. These are nasty. So I'm gonna try to make this, into a respectable donut. What a donut should be. What should a donut be? This. This is a cake donut. This is my favorite. This is a blueberry cake donut. I love these. I could eat like a whole dozen of these in one sitting with a glass of milk. Love these. These, on the other hand, these are a fake donut. These try to be a cake donut. These are fake, kind of like Madonna's British accent that she has. Kind of like fake, like the effort that the Walmart employee gives when he goes into the back to look for something that they don't have on the shelf. You ask him, hey, can you go look in the back? He says, sure, but instead he goes and talks to Bernard, the produce guy, and he takes freaking 30 minutes. It comes back and says, oh, I'm sorry, whatever's on the shelf, we're out. Fake, kind of like the Chick-fil-A cashier. Whenever you go up to her and you or him, I don't want to misgender anybody, him or her or it, you ask them for a refill on your drink with no ice for the third time because you're such a prude. You have to have your drinks with no ice. Yeah, this guy. And when they respond, oh, my pleasure, and they have a line full of people, it's not their pleasure. Come on, it's my pleasure. No, it's not. Anyhow, let's get started. This, I'm going to transform a fake donut into a real donut sandwich. This is going to be the bun. Let's get started. All right, so I'll be making this today on the Camp Chef FTG600 flat top griddle, and you Blackstone fans, have no worry. This might come out almost as good if you do it on a Blackstone. Okay, let's get started. All right, so here's what we're gonna be using today. We're gonna be using mustard cheese. I'm using mustard cheese because Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue said that the mustard cheese is really good to use on smash burgers. Have some onions here, sliced into strips. Have some eggs, bacon. These are 4-ounce balls of some 80/20 ground beef, and of course some ghee. Oil. This is actually clarified butter, so this is excellent to use on your flat top griddle. So there you go. All right, let's get started with the first thing on. All right, so first thing going down this morning is gonna be some bacon. Now, just so you know, over here, hold on, I'm trying to speak. Over here is on high, medium, low, and over here is low, but I'm probably gonna end up turning this side off. All right, now let's get started. Cut this bacon in half though, that's why it looks kind of small. All right, so while that is over there cooking, here's a tip. If you want this to be keto, if you're on a keto diet, this is still keto. The only thing is just minus the donut. All right, the donut's the only thing that does not make this thing keto. So if you want this to be keto, minus the donut, and you can fry a couple of eggs. These eggs I'm gonna be frying today are gonna be like, I'm gonna smash the yolk out of them. These are gonna be, I call them stepped on eggs, just gonna be completely flat, well done. The eggs can also be the bun of this burger. So if you want this to be keto, have the egg to be the bun. All right, back to the bacon. Okay, next thing I'm putting on is going to be the onions, but I'm taking all the bacon grease off, and I'm going to put ghee down. You say, well, why don't you just cook the onions in the bacon grease? Well, simple. I don't want to. This over here is high, then medium, and this is like a medium low. Just a little bit. Just sprinkle it. Be very gentle. That's all you need right there. All right, so while these onions cook, you want to bring them nice and slow. Bring them up to temp. You just want to creep them up. All right, you kind of want to caramelize them. You don't really want to grill them or really scald them really bad. So I better get back before I do that exact thing. More ghee on there. All right, so there you go. That's what you want them to look like. Nice and brown and caramelized. Time to remove them. Okay, next is gonna be smash burgers. We're gonna put the smash burgers on this side, and we're gonna put the eggs over here on this side with a little bit cooler. There's gonna be no ghee put down for the smash burgers because it already has fat content in it. Gonna put those here, and then put the eggs over here. Lightly dust with salt, pepper, garlic. That's it. Okay, I want these yolks to be smashed. There we go. All right, time to flip the burgers. Okay, now I'm gonna put 2 pieces of Munster cheese on each burger. Scratch that, I'm just gonna put 1. These are some pretty thick slices of, pretty thick slices. All right, there's the eggs, just flip them. I think everything's about ready. There we go. Now comes time for the donut. So here's a nice glazed donut. Take this bad boy. There we go. Perfect. Here's the bottom. And there you go. Let's give the bad boy a try.
It looks something like this.
This taste test I'm really looking forward to. Let's give the thing a shot. There you go. Breakfast sandwich or brunch. This has got all of it. I could have gone 2 smash burger patties, but I figured 1 because I had the egg. Could have gone a double burger patty, but I figured 1 is just fine. Anyhow, let's get messy. This is gonna be extremely messy and sticky. Now, before I try this, I really wanna seek and see if I can make a happy donut a little bit better for me to be able to eat. And the only way I can think of being able to eat a happy donut is pairing it with stuff I love the most, which is meat. Oh my God. I'm speechless. How'd it go? My neighbor just asked me how's it going. Dude, I'm speechless. No, I'm speechless. This is, wow.
Better than Miracle on Rice?
Oh, dude, this is sick. Freaking awesome. I don't know how I could put this into context. When I'm speechless on a taste test, that's a really good thing. I mean, you just have to do it. I mean, my God. Today's Sunday. I'm going to church, and but I think I already seen heaven. That's probably the best burger I've ever had. I'm serious. That is the best burger I've ever had. Anyhow, I don't know what else to say. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao.